If Telegram is giving you an authorization error on your Windows PC, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. This issue can happen when Telegram desktop gets stuck, when your network is blocking the login request, or when old sessions on your account are preventing a new sign-in. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to test whether the problem is with the app, your connection, or your account itself. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. Let's jump right in. First, try Telegram Web. This is a really important first step because it helps you figure out whether the issue is with the Telegram app on your computer or with your account in general. Open your browser and go to Telegram Web, then try logging in there. If Telegram Web works normally, that usually means the problem is specific to the standalone Windows app. If Web also fails, then the issue is more likely tied to your account, network, or security settings. If Telegram Web works, that's a great sign. It means you don't need to panic, and you can focus on fixing the desktop app instead of assuming your account is broken. If it does not work, don't skip the next steps, because they can still help resolve the authorization problem. Next, toggle off any VPNs, custom DNS tools, or strict firewall rules you may be using. These are very common reasons Telegram authorization fails, because they can interfere with the connection Telegram needs to verify your login request. If you have a VPN turned on, disconnect it temporarily and try signing in again. If you use a custom DNS service, switch back to automatic DNS for a moment. Also check whether your firewall or antivirus software is being overly aggressive and blocking Telegram's network handshake. Sometimes Telegram isn't actually broken at all. The connection path is just being filtered or interrupted, so test again after disabling these tools. If the authorization suddenly works, then you know the issue was network related, and you can turn those settings back on one by one later to see which one caused the conflict. Now let's move to the account side of the fix. If Telegram is stuck in an authorization loop, you may need to terminate old sessions. To do this, open Telegram on your phone, go to Settings, then tap Devices. In that section, you'll see all active sessions connected to your account. Look for the option to terminate all other sessions and confirm it. This step is really useful when Telegram thinks another session is still active or when a stale login is interfering with a new one on your PC. After ending the old sessions, go back to your Windows computer and try authorizing again. In many cases, this instantly clears the loop and lets you sign in normally. If you're still seeing the error, the next fix is to clear the Telegram desktop data on Windows. This can help when corrupted cache files or broken configuration files are causing the authorization screen to fail repeatedly. First, completely close Telegram so it is not running in the background. Then press Windows key +R to open the Run dialog. Type %appdata %Telegram desktop and press Enter. This will open the Telegram desktop data folder on your computer. Inside, look for the cache folders and any temporary files that may be causing the issue. Clear out the corrupted cache data, but be careful not to delete anything you're unsure about unless you know it is safe to remove. After that, restart Telegram desktop and try logging in again. If the problem was caused by damaged local data, this step often fixes it immediately. The app will rebuild fresh files the next time it launches, which can resolve authorization errors that keep repeating on startup. At this point, one of these methods should get you back into Telegram. Start with Telegram Web to isolate the issue, disable VPNs and network filters, terminate old sessions from your phone, and then clear the desktop data if needed. That combination solves a lot of Telegram authorization problems on Windows. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy troubleshooting guides. And if you want, I can also make a follow-up video covering Telegram login codes not arriving, Telegram desktop not opening, or how to fully reinstall Telegram without losing your chats. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.